I'm just gonna take my retro lip liner. This is from Bibi. Did you hear me? Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello. My name is Natashia, and if you could tell by the title already, I am doing a Valentine's inspired look today. I mean, of course, you can see by the background, I am so much into Valentine's Day. Like, let me tell you guys really quick. These hearts, I am not an artiste. After all the work that I put in to get this look, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. But if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, please keep watching. Okay, perfect. So you guys already know that I like to keep my face hydrated. So the first product I'm gonna grab is my L'Occitane, and this is the Precious Mist. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. It smells so good. If you guys haven't went to Sephora to go try it, OMG, it smells really good. The next product I'm gonna grab is my Glow Girl. This is the Glam Booster Serum. And a little bit of this product does go a long way. I always end up putting too much on one side, so I just grab it, rub it in my fingers. You don't want no dry patches peeking through while your boo is all up in your face, or if you're going to the club or whatever, you want to look snatched. The last product I'm going to grab is my primer, and this is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. And don't judge me, I did cut off the top because we don't waste any product over here. I mean, look how much is in there. And I'm just placing this in my T-zone. Every time I put primer on, I always end up putting it in my nose. So the foundation that I am gonna be using today is the Too Faced Born This Way. This is one of my favorite foundations, and I did get it in the shade Caramel. I am gonna spray my beauty blender. This is with the Coconut Slay All Day Setting Spray from Gerard Cosmetics. This foundation doesn't turn my skin orange either. So what have you guys been up to? What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Are you riding solo? I can tell you what I'm doing for Valentine's Day. I'm probably gonna go out to dinner, probably catch a movie. And then go out. No, I used to go out all the time. I need to see, you know what? I need to see what one of my good girlfriends is doing, because she is single and ready to mingle, and I might be able to find somebody for her. Moving on to concealer, I'm gonna take the Born This Way. This is the Multi-Scope Concealer, and I got the shade Butterscotch. You guys already know me. I am a homebody. And you guys know, per usual, I'm grabbing my LA Girl Pro Conceal to contour. But yeah, I freaking love doing lives. Like, it literally makes me feel so good when you guys are like interacting with each other. Somebody new comes into the chat and you guys start talking to them. That makes my little heart so warm. Spraying my brush with some setting spray. We are going to blend with a stippling brush. This is from Elle. But it seems like you guys want me to do like more cooking shows on live, which I don't mind doing. Oh, it was so funny. My mom was in the last live. I'm like, Mom, get out of my live. It was so funny. She was just happy. I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm so happy you guys are supporting my daughter. I'm like, Mom, I love to see everyone interact. It really makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I'm helping out everyone that I can. Because remember, I'm still small too. I'm still trying to grow. I have no idea what I'm doing. You guys see, I tried to do my hair in a bow. I'm like a present, you can give me away. Can you guys in the comments below recommend some shows for me? I was watching Exes on the Beach or whatever. It's like a spinoff from the Are You the One season, but it seems like they're bringing in like other people from like The Bachelor and all these other shows I'm not familiar with. So I don't know how long that's gonna last. Plus they be having too much drama for no reason. I don't know if you guys seen this, but this shirt is like all over the place. I'm like, whew, let's not get any makeup on you. So I'm probably doing my makeup just a little bit backwards from how I normally do it, but that's okay, work with me. This is Max Raisin, and I don't want to hear nobody talk about the packaging. This packaging has, oh, I think I wore this for like a year straight. Blush I'm going to use today is in the Honeymoon palette, and this is from Gerard Cosmetics. I am taking First Class. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics. Another favorite setting powder that I do like to use is the Mercier setting powder. And of course, I always put this in the cap. For now, while I'm baking, I'm gonna take my NYX eyeshadow base and we're gonna start priming our lid. Eyes are primed. I'm gonna remove the setting powder from my lower jawline. Sometimes I just like to do this step first before I do my makeup. Let's go ahead and peel off this sticker. Okay, you can't really tell that that's a heart. So the one that actually looks like a heart is the last one.
Nice.
I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in. I'm shaking so bad. Let me tell you, this eye has officially stressed me out. I thought I was gonna have hearts for days on my eyes. That's not gonna happen. So once again, I'm grabbing my Morphe. This is the 35 in palette. We're just repeating what we did from this side to this side without the heart. So I'm grabbing this shadow that is right here, and we're gonna place that in my crease. And I just wanted to do a simple look for you guys. And then I'm gonna go into the first shade right here. And I'm gonna place that in my brow highlight. Okay, and moving on to the bottom brown shade right here to darken up our crease. Somebody is banging on somebody's door. Okay, now we are taking our concealer. We're gonna place this all over my lid. This is the top of the palette, so I am taking this shade right here. We're gonna place that on my lid. I'm grabbing the brown shade from the bottom part of this palette. So you do need to get a brown eyeliner, and I'm actually gonna place this in my waterline, and I'm gonna tightline my top lid. bring some to the outer corner of my eye. And this does not have to be perfect because we are gonna smudge this out. You can smudge it out as much as you want. We're gonna go in with this shade. And I'm gonna continue to kind of like smudge out my lower lash line. Moving on to mascara, I'm just taking my Physicians formula. Why are my lashes trying to cooperate? Also, I don't want my eyes to be too crazy because I am going to be doing a bold lip for you guys. So I'm gonna take my lashes, and these are from, I think these are the Ardell lashes. Also, I don't want to cover up the heart, so I don't want to wear too bold of lashes to take away from the art that I added to my eyes. And I'm just grabbing my lash glue. This is from Kiss. This is one of my favorite lash glues. You know what sounds good right now? I think that's why my stomach's growling. Some salt and vinegar wings. If you like vinegar, let me know in the comments down below as well. One thing I try to do, I try to wiggle some mascara on my falsies to blend in with my real lashes. Because sometimes the band shows through when you're not wearing eyeliner. And then once again, taking my mascara. A good highlight I like to use, and this is actually one of my favorites, I think I used this highlight a lot in like 2016, was from the Missy Lynn palette. She had some really good highlight shades right here. So I'm gonna pick up the gold shade that is right here, and I'm gonna place this in my tear duct. I'm just grabbing my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I forgot to do my forehead. And of course, let's just bring the mascara to our lower lash line. To highlight right under my eyes, I'm gonna take my Too Faced powder. This is in the shade Medium. And then I want to show you guys that with this powder, it does not seep into my pores. Let me take my Ninja brushes. This brush is actually a flawless face brush from e.l.f. These brushes are inexpensive, but they work great. We're going to attempt to do a second heart on this side, but I'm gonna do it down here. Let's see how this works. Now I am taking my eyeliner. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. And you know what? Let's see, I'm gonna put a heart down first. It doesn't matter what I grab. You know what it is? These hearts are just not sticky. So I'm gonna let that sit and dry. Let me grab my highlight. We're gonna spray it with some setting spray. And let's grab these two shades. So pretty. shade at the top of this palette. I'm just taking my finger and adding that. Look how pretty that looks. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add this shade to my tear duct as well. I'm just grabbing that shade, the highlight shade, and the white shade. And we always put highlight in between our eyes. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go all out. Usually I don't put highlight on my cheeks, but we're gonna go ahead and take it there today. So I'm just gonna take the shade, the gold shade that is right here, and I'm gonna take the white shade, blend those two together. Yep, this is it. Let's go ahead and peel off the heart. Okay, why did it? I'm not an artist. What in the heck? It wants me to use my skills to complete it. Going back into my Spoiled Brat palette. This is from Wet n Wild. And I have to take my Milkshake from Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. So I'm grabbing the Milkshake as well as the beautiful pink shade, very vibrant. I guess the last jazz up I will do is add a little bit of my Profusion. This is the glitter eyeliner. Don't worry y'all, this look is almost complete. I'm just gonna take my retro lip liner. This is from Bibi. Did you hear me? I'm just taking BH Cosmetics. This is their waterproof lip liner. The lipstick shade I'm gonna grab is Max Ruby Kisses. Okay, no it's not.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The lipstick that I'm taking is Ruby Woo. And this lipstick is matte. And I'm just gonna take my brush, just pick up a little bit of the lipstick, and I wanna do my Cupid's bow. The brush helps you make it perfect. The look is finally complete. You guys already know. I don't have pores seeping through today, so I'm gonna take my Slay All Day Setting Spray from Gerard Cosmetics. Smells like coconut. They have a lot of different flavors on the website. This look came out so beautiful, so simple, minus the heart. I just wanted you guys to know that the fur was on fleek, red lips are on point, hair is snatched. We have officially made it to the end. Oh my goodness, I didn't think that this would ever happen as far as how long it took me to do this makeup tutorial. Like I said at the beginning, I am not an artist. Like, I need some practice. Just doing these hearts alone were a struggle. I just want to thank you guys once again for taking time out of your day to watch my tutorials. Until my next video, you guys know I miss you. Bye.